Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can write text in Canva. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, you can write manually by using your cursor, and you can do that by going into the Draw tab and you just pick whatever you want, and then you can write whatever you want like that. But that is, I'm guessing, not what you want. To do actual text writing, what you need to do is go into the text tab in the left toolbar, and my Canva is in a different language because of my system settings, but for you this will be all in English usually, or in your native language. And all you have to do now is pick what you want. You can add a title, you can add a subtitle, or you can add main text. You can add some several designs of text and write each of them, and I'll demonstrate all of that. But as you can see, if I click on the title, subtitle, and text, here you'll see that entered, and you can then write whatever you want. In the left, you can select your font, you can select your font size, you can italicize it, bold it, underline it, cross it through. Of course, you can't see much of that since it isn't all selected. If I press I, as you can see, it is now well, italicized. Now it's bolded and unbolded. I can underline it, I can put a line through it, adjust the size of the case of the letters, change the color, etc., etc. And the same is pretty much true for every type of text. You just double click the text box and then you can start editing the text, and that's pretty much it. As I mentioned, you can also add these sort of designs, which is pretty hard to edit in other ways. You can bold it, unbold it, and any of those things. You can't italicize it if the font itself is not italicized. You can underline it, you can cross it through, you can change the case again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You just double tap it or double click it, add whatever text you want, change the size. It really doesn't matter. Let me change it to 30 for example's sake, and it is gone all of a sudden. It is probably in the background, but yeah, you just add it there, add some text, make it 30, size 30, and yeah, that is pretty much how you write in Canva. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.